Hello, my name is Clueless, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Whoosh Ford Focus ST hood strut kit. I will be doing a brief unboxing and then just simply showing you how it works and showing you how I like it. I will not be doing an installation video because I just don't have good enough lighting for that. I will be linking a good installation video in the description as well as the product itself, of course. One thing I do want to go over before I start is basically just tell you what a hood strut is and tell you one concern that I have about my specific car. So first of all, when you open up the hood, with any Ford Focus, you have to take out this nice thing, scratch your paint off, and then lock the hood in place. Hood struts would mean this thing is dead weight. I might even take it out, but maybe not. Put the two hydraulic beams on either side of the hood. It would actually open itself, or at least keep itself up without this thing doing anything. It would be really nice. I'm really excited for that. Now there is one problem that I have, and I have been under the hood of many Ford Focuses over the years, all the third generation like this one. I think this problem that I have is unique to my car. So every other Ford Focus I've ever seen, you can bring the hood down to where it sits here, right on the lock, and you can press it down to close it. But my car, you cannot. I don't know how to fix this. I don't know if this is even a problem. Maybe I have bad luck. It doesn't really bother me that much though. I don't really care. But I just need to be able to drop it from about here to close it. So I'll make sure I can do that with the hood strut kit too. So next I'll unbox it. Let's see. Alright, so I have already removed a large portion of the packing material just to help with the sound quality on this video. So I do like that these struts are made purely out of metal. There's no visible plastic. I don't know anything about, quality of struts or metal or anything. It's by a company called Struts, I see. No rattling. I'm sure they're good quality. It comes with two brackets for each side. Nothing too difficult. It comes with your hardware. It's supposed to be pretty simple with just a ratchet and some sockets. And then I got a nice sticker and air freshener, so I'm happy about that. It's pretty dope. But anyway, so I'm a caveman, so it takes me forever to install anything, so I will let you know what it's like once it's done. Pray for me. So the hydraulic struts are now attached to the hood where they're supposed to be. The only problems I had were just simply getting these ball joint heads on the actual ball joints. I eventually figured out a good technique for it. Basically just taking off the prongs, taking off the ball joint hats, snapping them on together, putting these bolts back on, and then kind of putting the strut in the middle of them worked out very well for me. So I will show you how it works. They look pretty nice. They actually look, almost OEM, which is really nice. They don't have Ford badging on them, but they actually look too nice to be OEM because they're entirely made out of metal, and God knows if Ford did something like this, it'd be at least 50% rubber and plastic. So I like that. Let's see what happens when I remove this bad boy. And the hood stayed exactly where it was before I moved it. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can actually close my hood that doesn't like to close softly. Yep. So it has no problem dropping itself at a certain point, which is good. I think that's that's absolutely how it should be. That's how any manufacturer who actually puts these in the factory would have it happen. So you get it to about here and it drops itself. Perfect. So let's see what happens when I try to open it. Reach into the abyss, find the thing only Ford Focus owners know how to find, and it opens itself about half of the way. That's awesome. There's a bird in the garage. He's watching me. Alright, I like it. Interesting thing, it doesn't quite go up to where it would with this, but it's literally not even a usable amount of space or difference, so that doesn't matter. And frankly, you probably should never throw this out, just leave it in the car. So if you need the extra 2 centimeters of head space, then just leave this in. Otherwise, this thing is awesome. I'm really glad that I got to install it. Whoosh Ford Focus ST hood strut kit. Definitely recommend it. Really happy I have this now. So when my engine does finally explode, I'll be able to replace it that much more easily. Thank you for watching. Always feel free to leave comments. Ask how this modification is doing. Ask how I'm doing. I'm doing fine. It's great. So thank you for watching.